Here we go. So guys, never surrender here, and I have a free Serum preset for you. Yay! To keep it short, right now I'm freaking around on 80 BPM. Normally I'm working on 150 plus BPM. But yeah, I have a day off. I'm freaking around with some cinematic trailer music just for fun. And I've got a sound. I will show it directly. This is the sound. It feels like a monster. I really like the vibe of this sound. Sounds weird on solo. Where's the other one? Right here. I know it's a small detail, but listen how it sounds in the whole track. Here we go. Okay, this was the sound. Yeah, it sounds really weird. It sounds just like a really low synth. It's a Serum preset. I will share it with you. Just play it really low. And mix it in gently, softly in your cinematic music. And it sounds like a angry, scary, weird monster. Reminds me a bit to Stranger Things. Then you also hear these kinds of sounds on the background. I love it. Only thing I did was this wave plugin. It's a vocal plugin, and I just took a preset BV Rock Vox 2. Don't know why, just sounded better. Bit of reverb. I really like the Black Hole, my favorite reverb. And that's what I did. You can download this preset for free, play it really low. On solo you will say, the fuck is that for sound? But if you mix it in this kind of music, you understand what it is. Yeah, detail work. Guys, download it for free, have fun, and see you in one of our private lessons or in the classical course. But for now, just have fun and see you.